Welcome back to our Dream in the Woods. Just finishing up preparing for concrete for the sawmill cover and shed area, catwalk, and then we're also going to pour concrete for the apron for the barn. Concrete's coming on Wednesday, so just have a few days to finish getting things formed up, grading to level, and putting rebar to prepare for that. So we'll get to it. Now you can see where we have the outside boards formed up here. Kind of detail I did there at the end. I went with 40 inches and a slope from the sawmill out of 3/4 of an inch, so it will shed water towards the outside. Coming down here, we are also going to slope to the back. From front to back, we're going to go 2 inches. So we just have a little bit less to form up, and kind of been going back and forth about putting some sand in here or gravel, and might just put a little more gravel in here and call it good. So just have to come around here, and then a small detail here that may take a little bit of time, but we're doing good. All right, compaction, forms, plan coming together. Looks good. Looks real good. What we have left of rebar from the barn project, there's two 20-footers there, and pretty good pile of, probably 8-footers, some oddball pieces there. So we're not buying any more, but we're utilizing what we have. So the next step, putting some rebar down. Put these at an angle to give it some more strength. Angular rebar is stronger than just square rebar. No, I'm just joking about that. We're just trying to use the rebar we had, and this is some offcuts from the barn slab, and so they just fit in there at an angle a little better. Well, we're back at it this morning. Eric and I finished up all the prep work on the forms I got all the rebar laid out. We used essentially every piece of rebar that we had extra. I think there's just like there's maybe 10 inches left of all the little pieces. So some of it's got a little small back in there, but we made it work. It's been hot, 100 degrees yesterday. It'll be hot again today. The sky is smoky. We have a fire just south of us. I was having coffee this morning and I could see ash falling down. So I have the water out here mainly just for dust control. So I ran it last night and running it again this morning. So hopefully it won't be too dusty for us. So I got this piece here and then the little apron out here, and concrete should be coming in about 45 minutes. I'm going to tape some plastic to the concrete slab there so we keep it nice and clean. So that's my next little project for this morning. I had to improv there in the center because this sloped so much to this edge. I had a 2-inch slope, so when we put the screed board across, couldn't do it to elevation there, so it's all sloping away from there, which is good and looks nice. Erik's putting some finishing touches. I got this little apron poured, edged, so it looks nice. It'll get some concrete sealer conditioner, I think is what it is. Spray some of that on there, and then we'll put some cut marks in it tomorrow. Put my Uncle Stan.
Hey, how's everybody doing?
Yeah, he came down from Alaska, heading to Kansas to his whitetail property.
Leaving in the morning.
Leaving in the morning with my dad Dennis.
Yep,
these guys are brothers.
Lars and Chelsea.
Yeah, they're stopping in Bozeman to see Lars and Chelsea, so it'll be nice. Okay. All right. Put your hands out like that.
Like at school.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you're just gonna have to just straight lift. Yay!
Okay, let's do the other one. Fingers out. There we go.
There you go, lift. Yeah.
Ah, that's good looking stuff.
Good boy. Good
Let's
job.
wash up. This is the product we're using. So this is a concrete sealer and helps with the cure, helps slow the cure down. Is that right?
Yeah.
Real happy with how everything turned out. Have a nice slope on this end. Slight slope on the catwalk here. Real happy with the way it turned out. I want to thank Erik especially, and then my dad and Stan coming out today, and then my nephew Austin for helping out too. So good project to completion for sure. Good little project to get completed. Next up on the agenda is we're gonna frame in the 3 walls to that shed at the end of the sawmill shed cover here, and then I think I'm going to mill the board and bat for that instead of using what I have, just so it's uniform and what's going to be on the barn. So this is all kind of a test for the barn build, so it'll be nice to try that out. So appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and hopefully these the fires that are burning don't continue to grow. But we're in the heat of it right now. Currently it's mid-90s out here, and it's like 7:30. So, and we had quite a bit of wind through the middle of the day. So hope for those firefighters to be safe out there and get these fires under control.